Hi, I want to talk to you about how to create an assignment that is going to be used for a peer review. So I want to show you real quickly how to create the assignment for peer review and get that set up. So you're going to create an assignment, label it peer review, rough draft number 1. In order for this to be able to be set up as a peer review, you need to assign it points and assign it to a category. Assignments is fine, but if you have another category you'd rather it be in, like your final project, you can put it there. Display it as points. They need to do a file upload. You want to turn on your plagiarism review just so that they can check it out and make sure that their assignment is being evaluated for plagiarism or similarity. You want to exclude the bibliography and any quoted material, and then index all submissions. This is not a group assignment, but this is a peer review. So we're going to require peer reviews. When you set this up, you can manually assign peer reviews or automatically assign peer reviews. Automatically means I'm going to go ahead and assign 2 reviews per user. So each user in the course needs to review 2 other students. And I can assign those reviews to be done after the due date. So if I have a due date set for September 29th for the assignment, I'm going to give them until October 2nd to do the peer reviews. This gives them 3 days to complete the peer review. And I have prepared the students for that time frame. I can also do peer reviews appear anonymously so that I'm not showing names of work that comes in if I don't want them to know. You can check this so the students don't know who they're reviewing unless the name is in the document. That is up to you as the professor to do that. So if you're going to do it anonymously, you can do that. I'm going to leave it off because I don't really need to. I want to know who's done it and who's reviewed. So the assignment's due on the 29th, and the students have until the 2nd to do the peer review. And so I am going to save and publish this assignment. It would be very helpful to put it in your modules if you're using modules. So if that's going to be done in week 5, I'm going to put here so it's easy to access. When I see it as a professor, I click peer reviews, and I'm going to show the student peer reviews will be considered complete when commented at least 1 page. So this is what I will see. I will see that Teresa needs to do a submission. I'm going to go back and do the student view. When the student views this assignment, they should be able to see where they need to do their peer review. I hope this is helpful for you. If you want to do peer reviews, I'd be happy to help you set it up, and I'd be happy to navigate your first one. But this is a little snippet on how to do a peer review in Canvas.